Most YouTubers spend way too much time designing thumbnails that don't get clicks. But what if I told you I made this thumbnail in just 30 seconds? Crazy, right? Hey, it's Herman from Dross Video, where I help you grow your audience and income on YouTube. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it and whether a thumbnail created in seconds will actually perform better than one you spend hours on. If you've ever struggled with creating thumbnails that actually get clicks, this video is for you. Here's why thumbnails matter. Your thumbnail is your first impression, and it's a reason why someone clicks or scrolls past your video. Even a 1% bump in your click-through rate could mean thousands of extra views over time. Thumbnails aren't just decoration, they're one of the fastest ways to grow your channel.
Can you tell them what you invest per thumbnail?
We probably spend around $5,000 to $10,000 a thumbnail, just making sure we get the right image and it's good. Because like the thumbnail makes a difference between 50 million views or 200 million.
I usually spend a lot of time designing and tweaking my thumbnails because they can make or break your videos. But this time I handed my job over to AI. All right, let's get to the fun part. Here's how I made a thumbnail in just 30 seconds using Virathumb, an AI video thumbnail generator. Start by heading to Virathumb.com and signing in. Link is in the description. Click Create to get inspired by successful thumbnails. If you click on Successful Thumbnails, you can select Top Performance by content type, then customize it to your liking. If you select Paste YouTube URL, you can drop a link to a video that's already performing well. If you click Search, you can enter a video title here. It says 2.5 thousand thumbnails found. I'm going to choose this thumbnail with 13,000 views from a channel with 62.8 thousand subscribers. Click Customize Thumbnail. You have the option for Virathumb to choose the background or swap the face with the thumbnail. I'm going to choose Generate Background, then upload my own face. On the left, you can add text, add shapes, add your own image, or even draw on the canvas using different colors. After you've uploaded your image, just click Remove Background. Now the background has been removed. And here's my completed thumbnail. Keep in mind that not every design generated by Virathumb is perfect, because some look a little generic. At least it was solid enough to upload right away. Let's look at the pros and cons of using AI to generate your thumbnail. The pros is that it's insanely fast, no design skills are needed, create multiple variations very quickly, and it's great for brainstorming thumbnail ideas. The cons are that the face swap feature doesn't always accurately swap your own face with the face in the thumbnail. Try it several times or just upload your own face manually. Some designs feel too stock photo-ish. If you only rely on AI, you could lose your personal branding. The bottom line is that Virathumb can save you a ton of time, but it won't replace what your audience clicks on. Go to Virathumb.com. Use coupon code HERMAN to get a 10% discount. Link is in the description. You'll be able to create unlimited AI-generated thumbnails, access premium templates and styles, utilize the face swap feature, and save and organize all your thumbnails so you can reuse them for future videos. I highly recommend using YouTube's thumbnail tester to test 3 different designs. For example, this thumbnail, which was created manually, got a watch time share of 73.5%. Watch time share means the one that gets viewers to both click and stay to watch. This one created by Virathumb only got a watch time share of 4.9%. And this one that was created manually only got 21.6%. Therefore, it makes sense to create multiple thumbnails to see which one gets the most clicks and watch time. So yes, you can make a great thumbnail in 30 seconds using Virathumb, but don't rely upon it completely. Watch this related video on the 5-second rule. How to hook YouTube viewers instantly. I break down what makes a powerful intro and show you examples of good and bad intros.